Welcome to Noise Rack. I'm Brad, and today I'm going to be doing an unpackaging. Unboxing. It's so hard to call it a box when it's like a package. It's probably dangerous, but I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Really tape that in there. Beautiful. So these are 4 aluminum blocks that I got. I'm going to set all my power supplies on. So, nice 4x4 by 1/2 inch block. I'll set those 2400 watt power supplies on them to keep them nice and cool. Well, extra cool at least. So, they just seem to run so hot, might as well. It's not going to hurt anything. Got them for like $20, so. Awesome. Have a great day.